So Matt, what are you doing now?
So I'm laying up a fiberglass panel that's gonna be the front fairing for Karma, the F800R race motorcycle. And we're putting this fairing together because nobody on the market really offered anything I liked in a race fairing. So what I liked the shape of BMW's original parts for what normally would be the gas tank. And this bike, it actually covers the air box of battery. But the parts originally had a nice shape, and of course it'll match really nicely to the original shape if the parts flow together and look the same. So we're using the original parts as a mold, and we're going to use a portion of this fairing shape over the air box and battery cover to make our fairing shape on the front. So we're laying up fiberglass over here. The fiberglass lays on. This is a lot like paper mache. You just kind of go ahead and lay this shape over. I've laid out, as you can see, some thin film. I put a layer of wax over the original part. I laid out a thin film. Then I put another layer of wax over the thin film. That's got the thin film resting very nicely on our part. And as that thin film is resting nicely on our part, we're able to go ahead and lay over these pieces of fiberglass that are going to build up our base layer. And we're taking epoxy resin and we're just basically painting epoxy resin over the fiberglass. That's going to harden into plastic, and then we have our fiber impregnated material. So this is pretty advanced material. It's used a lot in boats, situated tools, situations where you need lightweight, high strength, especially high tensile strength, low modulus of elasticity. Modulus of elasticity in fiberglass is dependent on thickness. But we can get a nice lightweight part here.
Awesome. That was an incredible description.